Here's another equation that we're asked to solve. And again, we're solving for our variable y. So we want to basically get y by itself with a coefficient of 1. So let's rewrite our equation. It's y minus 8 minus the quantity y plus 6 equals 6y. So again, I have parentheses here, and I can't just remove the parentheses. In this one, for the first set, I can, because there's nothing out in front of it. I don't have to distribute anything. But for the second set, this negative is like a -1, and that gets distributed out to both of these terms inside the parentheses. So I have minus 1y minus 6 equals 6y. Now before we start moving things back and forth across the equal sign, let's see what we can simplify. And there's a lot of stuff going on over here in the left, right? So I basically, if I move everything together, I have a y, and then I have a minus y, and I have a minus 8 minus 6. Well, this conveniently just goes away, right? Y minus y is 0. So I have an negative 8 minus 6 gives me a negative 14. So I simplified the left side, and I still have the right side here that says it's 6y. Now the last thing I do to get the coefficient to be 1 is divide by the coefficient, right? So I divide 6 by 6. What I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other side. These cancel out to be 1. And I'm left with negative 14/6, which can be reduced, right? There's a factor of 2 that goes into both the numerator and the denominator, so that leaves me with negative 7/3. Oops, that's not a very good looking 3. 7/3. And so that's my answer.